Hello, traders. It's Andy from Trade Ideas, and it is May the 12th on a Friday here. And uh, the SPY continues to be kind of just slopped back and forth in the middle of its range. I can see the bears getting kind of frustrated. We keep dipping below these moving averages only to pop up and close above them or right at them. We are seeing a little bit of gap up in this morning, but nothing to be too excited about. Let's take a look at the Qs. A different story here, but keep in mind this is led by a handful of companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google. A lot of those big techs are doing well, and that's what's lifting the Qs higher. But let's take a look, excuse me, at some charts today. And keep an eye on Tesla. Tesla had some good news, I think, with Elon Musk turning over his CEO duties, and it is of to Twitter, not to Tesla. So anyway, but it's gapping up right in here to some heavy congestion, and not only that, you got the downward sloping 50 moving average. But keep in mind, it may be something that you can pick up on a pullback if it runs into that congestion and pulls back. Also, this LTH looking very tasty right here on the daily. Now it is kind of gapping up, and a lot of times you can see it's been attracted to this 10 period moving average. Maybe just put you an alert, for a pullback, or even a small position. You could do that as well. So I'm just going to throw alert in there, and it actually went off because I didn't have it setting. But anyway, uh, also let's see, Rambus. Watch Rambus above this key level around $50. And the last one is Pack B for those that don't mind playing some biotech. This is a healthy looking chart right there. Throw you a price alert around 1250. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.